Hello students, today we will learn lesson number 1, the living world, adaptation and classification. So what is adaptation? Adaptation means a gradual changes occur in the body parts and also in the behavior of organisms which help them to adjust to their surroundings. Such changes are called adaptations. For example, coniferous trees like pine and deodar, cactus in desert, etc. Students, mainly there are two types of adaptations. Adaptation in plants and adaptation in animals. In this video, we learn about the adaptation with plants according to their regions. So there are adaptation in plants according to the 6 regions. So what are they? Adaptation in plants in aquatic region, adaptation in desert plants, adaptation in plants of snowy region, adaptation in plants of forest region, adaptation in grassland plants, and adaptation for ingestion of food in plants. So first, adaptation in aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are firmly rooted in the soil at the bottom of water bodies. Aquatic plant stems are submerged and they have air spaces and petioles. Aquatic plants' leaves and flowers floats on the surface of water. Aquatic plants are thin and slender like ribbon-like structure. For example, lotus. Adaptation in desert region. Desert plants are either leafless or have small needle-like structure. Desert plants lose very little water by evaporation. Desert plant stems stores water and food so they look like very fresh. Desert plant stems are green so they perform photosynthesis process in the absence of leaves. Roots are penetrate deep into the soil in search of water. There is a thick layer of waxy layer or waxy substance on the stems and leaves of the desert plant. For example, cactus plant. Adaptation in plants of snowy region. Snowy region plants are conical in shape due to their sloping branches. In heavy rainfall, their conical shape prevents the snow from accumulating on the tree. Snowy region plant stems have thick bark help to withstand in the cold. For example, trees like deodar and pine. Adaptation in plants of forest region. We know that a variety of plants, trees, shrubs and herbs are found in forest. All plants in forest compete amongst themselves for sunlight, so they grow tall to get sunlight. Climbers and vines grow to a great height with the support of trees. Some plant stems have spring-like tendrils is an example of a great adaptation. Adaptation in grassland plants. A very diverse types of bushes and grasses are found in conical land. Their fibrous root prevents soil erosion. Grasslands in equatorial region are dense and cold regions are very short. Vast meadows are found in hilly areas as well as plains. And last one, adaptations for ingestion of food in plants. Some plants are autotrophic and some are parasitic. Some plants has hostorial, that is also called as the sucking roots for absorbing nutrients from the host plants. These plants' roots penetrate up to the conducting vessels of the host plants to observe or to absorb water and food. For example, Cuscuta plants, fungi on foods, Drosera plant, etc. So students, today we will learn about the adaptation in plants according to the regions. So can you recall, why does water trickle off lotus leaves? There is extreme heat in deserts. Why grasslands are lush green? How can the plants like cactus and acacia live in deserts with scarce water? So in next video, we'll learn about the adaptation in animals. Thank you.